Now start the original car display screen. First remove the cover plate. Start removing the panel and disconnect the connector plug. Remove the mounting screws and take off the air vent trim bezel. Remove the original vehicle display. The A or C control panel. Remove the original vehicle radio. Removal completed. Now let's understand the function of each wiring harness. This is the GPS antenna. This is the video input cable for the reverse camera. Connect the two red wires together to the reverse light positive. Connect red wire to reverse control wire. This is the reverse camera wiring diagram. These are the 6-pin and 4-pin USB cables. This is the canvas power cable. This is the fan power cable. Red and white RCA connectors. Left-right audio output cables connect to audio input cables per video. This is the AUX audio output cable. Plug it into the OEM AUX port. This is the 16-pin power cable. Our device requires keeping the OEM radio. Plug these two connectors in series between the OEM radio and the factory harness. Plug these two connectors in series between the A or C control panel and the factory harness. After connecting all cables, put everything back in reverse removal order. For any other questions, contact us on social media.